Today we're taking a look at the EOZ Air true wireless earbuds, and that's coming up right after this. If you're new here and want to stay up to date with the latest tech, please hit subscribe followed by the bell. So first of all, we'll take a look inside the packaging. We get a membership card, we then get the charging case with the earbuds inside. We get some silicone ear tips, another membership card with our membership number, the user manual, some foam ear tips, a leather leash for around the neck, and a USB-C charging cable. So first up, we'll take a look at the charging case. It's got a plastic body with a metal lid, the EOZ logo on top, and a USB-C port on the side. The lid is held shut magnetically and it does hold it very tightly. When we open it up, we get the earbuds along with LED indicators to show how much battery is available. The charging case has a 2200 mAh battery for 90 hours of playtime, and the earbuds themselves have 50 mAh batteries for 6 hours of playtime. If we take the earbuds out of the case, we can see they're the fitness type with the over-ear fittings to help them stay securely in place. The earbuds have electrodynamic 8mm graphene coated drivers, they're Bluetooth 5 for great audio quality and low latency, and they're also IPX5 water resistant. Each earbud has its own microphone on the bottom with ambient noise reduction. When using these to make calls, the phone calls come through both earbuds, which is great. We've got touch controls on each earbud which allow you to play or pause, skip a song or previous song, answer a call, hang up or reject, and also to access Google Assistant or Siri. When they're removed from the charging case, they'll automatically go into pairing mode the first time, and once paired, they'll automatically connect to your device every time you take them out the box. You can also manually turn them on by pressing the buttons on the earbuds. And for those who prefer the strap around the neck, it also comes with this leather leash you can attach to each earbud to have that around your neck. So thanks to the fitness design, they stay firmly in my ears. When it comes to sound quality, they're incredible. We get nice deep bass coming from them with great mids and crisp highs. It's a very balanced sound and provides a great listening experience. I cranked up the bass and reduced the treble slightly in my equalizer just to see how they perform, and I was also very impressed. The bass is still able to pump through at loud volumes without any distortion. So whether you want some loud bass or a nice balanced sound, then these headphones will do the trick. Personally, I'm impressed by these, and if they're the style that you're after, then I definitely recommend you check them out. They're currently $109 and available on the EOZ Audio website, so I've placed a link down in the description below. And of course, if you've got any questions or there is anything I've missed, just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, smash the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.